Hi, this is Handy Doctor. Today I am going to talk about my Kitchenaid dishwasher again. Let's say you realize your dishes are not clean after you use the dishwasher. What do you do? Well, honestly, first of all, you need to make sure that the holes on the spray arms are all clean. This is the lower arm and this is the upper arm. Make sure they're all clear. Also want to make sure the filter and the filter cup are also clear. If you do not know how to check that or how to clean them, I actually have an older video that you can check out. I will put the link in the description for you. So please check that one out. Then what else? Well, you also want to make sure that the pump is actually running. And for that one, it's easy. You just pay attention to the noise. You couldn't mix that one. So let's assume both are good and you still don't have clean dishes. What happened? Well, in that case, the next one you want to check is the diverter motor. You may say what that one is and how the dirty dishes will look like. Well, this is critical. Sometimes you may realize that the upper rats are clean, the lower one's dirty, and then sometimes it's the opposite way. They rotate. And sometimes maybe one section on the upper rack is clean. That is a really good indication that the diverter motor doesn't work the right way. And of course, on the really bad day, all of them will be dirty. Okay? So, if you look at my dishwasher and yours may be a little bit different, you will realize that there are three passages for water. One of them is to the lower arm, directly connected. Another one go to the back, and then all the way to the upper arm, and then the last one actually only go to the back on the spray piece out there. The job of the diverter motor is to make water go to one passage at one time. So I'm not sure if you know that. Water at any given moment only supposed to go to one location, not all three. I guess the advantage of that is you have more water going to one location, so you have higher pressure, but they don't have continuous water. If the diverter motor doesn't work as designed, then maybe only one arm get water, now the other one don't, and of course you will only get one section of the dishes clean. And on the worst scenario though, for some reason none of them get water, then of course all of them will be dirty. So that's the job of the diverter motor. Now, let me open it up and show you what I mean, okay? And for this one, to get it out, you just turn the arm counterclockwise on the bottom, and you can lift it up like that. And then for the spray plate on the back, you have to grab it and then just take it out, okay? Really simple. For the cup, and honestly I do not really know how to call it. There's a kind of a locking mechanism here that you need to lift it up a little bit. And then you rotate it, okay? And you can take it out. There is a plate, the diverter motor plate, and you see there is a hole under it. The plate will rotate when the diverter motor rotates. There is a diverter motor, the stem at least. Then the water will, let's say, go here, then it go to the upper arm. Okay. Now, if the diverter motor doesn't not rotate anymore, then of course this plate gets stuck. Then water will at best only go to one location. Or the two don't fit with each other well anymore. It's slippery. Then it doesn't really rotate as it should. Then the efficiency will go much lower, and you again don't have clean result. And in the worst scenario, the plate gets stuck on the opposite location. Remember, all those passages kind of over here, over there, and over there. And now your water try to come up from here, and nothing is going to come up. Then in this case, nothing will be clean. Okay? So you more or less know how it works. Then what do you do? Well, honestly tell you, in the last few days, I realized the dishes is not cleaned, and I checked it and thought about it. I decided to get rid of this piece. I ran the dishwasher without this diverter motor plate for a few days now. And the dishes are all very clean, by the way. So I will continue doing this without the diverter plate. And you say, what? Are you kidding? No. Think about this, by the way. Like I said just now, the mechanism of the diverter motor will get water to one passage at one time only. So you get a higher pressure of water, but you don't have continuous water. When we don't have this, no matter the diverter motor run or not, you will get continuous water to every location, of course, at a lower pressure. So which one is better? Honestly, it's difficult to decide. At least for my situation at the moment, it will appear that without this one, everything is clean. And I don't even know whether the diverter motor still rotates or not. I don't want to fix it at the moment since it works. So I don't suggest you run your dishwasher without a diverter motor plate. But at the very least, this would be a good idea for diagnosis. If your dishes are not clean and everything else good, like I said, the arms are good, the filters are clean, get the plate out and see what happens. If the quality improves, then you know it is either the diverter motor or the plate or maybe both are bad. And it's up to you whether you want to run it without the plate or not. Anyway, I hope you learned something useful today. And if that is the case, please make sure you like and subscribe. And I forget to tell you, in order to take this video, I actually put this plate back just now. So because of the effort, could you please like this video? Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.